Hi guys, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. So I saw this post from one of the four back republic, all right, and what he said is somehow interesting. Interesting in the sense that many of them have this kind of notion that USB government is actually scamming people. Oh, they are they're taking your money for and doing nothing. Why must you do this? How can you say you are bringing Biafra or Biafra is here and you are still requesting for money? While you have an ID card is fake. You print ID card, you print money, you print this, I print that. The comparison of USB government, DPM, Dr. Gosarabeze, and Wazirike is kind of funny to me, and it goes to show that many of them don't even know what they're doing. Some of them, information is power, right? This guy called, you can see his name here. I don't want to give him that kind of audience, but I have to reason, and I will tell you why I'm actually reacting on this post. I will tell you why, because so many of them have this kind of mentality that everything that USB government is doing, that they're wasting time. That is about lying to Biafrans. Imagine a saboteur questioning you for what you are doing, questioning Biafrans on what they're doing. Like, you criticize everything that USB government do. You criticize even the fundraising. You criticize even the name Dr. Rabese. You criticize even USB. That USB is a USB in Nigeria. You say that USB is a Nigerian government platform. They actually hate this and hate that. Have you forgotten that most of you saying those things, participated in self-referendum? You agree to declare Biafra. You agree to bear that name. You agree that Biafra will be declared when it was declared. The only difference is some people who are no longer, who lost their legitimacy to bear the name honorable, are struggling with everything in them to regain it back. And the best way they think they can do that is by criticizing what they once signed for. When you are voting self-referendum, so some of us that managed to recall or remember what was written on that platform, some of you may not even read the content of on that website when self-referendum was on. But to some of us that do, if you can recall and be sincere to yourself, you understand the reason why Biafran was meant to declare and the intention of declaring it and what it means for the freedom for the movement. PM made it clear that once you declare it, you have to, move on for recognition. That people will ask you, oh, but you still have police and army in your land. You still have all these people. You are not in control of your border. He said, don't worry. Don't mind them. That is not going to happen all over, or just like that, overnight. It's a gradual process. He went further by saying that it may take 10 years, even if it's 20 years, that at end it will come. Why he says so is because he understood what it means to get it. He understands there's process to that. He knows all those things. But some of the followers don't even know. They don't care. Remember, we often talk about people that migrated from the US now to fall back republic. This guy, Okude TV, is one of them. If you are in doubt, before, in fact, can you tell me where this guy was, where were him in 2023? I don't think he has surfaced. It was middle of 2024 we started seeing him hearing about post. To some of you, you may know this guy, maybe his post during the saga of Oginkere and Imam Madabo and Sonak Barawa and the rest of them. But if not, I don't think many people know who he is. And if you check all his tweets, he always on the wrong side, always. All right, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. We are gonna go sharply to the post. All right. So here he says something. He said, these are scammers. Speaking of this picture, right? Listen, this is was Rike back then in olden days. You know, I want to mean by olden days, I'm talking about the 90s. He, printed plate number, different plate number, car plate number, and all that to show that Biafran is coming and all that. Then this guy is comparing it with COS, showing you currency. When CS printed this and talked about the money and all that, I made a video about it. And what I said there is that we still need to focus on military, okay, than focusing on printing the money. And why I said that is because I was a kind of believing that commanders, like I told you, I don't want to talk about them. I don't want to go back there. But let me just highlight this for to some of you that followed me here. My own, I don't hide, what I said or what I did. I was like, why not channel the energy to make sure that pastors and evangelists in the homeland that they are carrying out crusade, preaching the good news and all that to protect the land. That I think is more. It is more maybe it was doing than focusing on printing currency. I said it out of ignorance because I don't know what it means to print the money and all that. Now, when I said that, people reach out to me, all right, and say something very, very important. They called my attention on what that money means and what it will represent. Then I said, okay. Then I made another video in my live broadcast. Not that I criticized it initially. What I was saying is that because we don't know, some people will tell you that the US government don't want to cater or care for preachers. Some said that they do cater for them. So it was a kind of 50-50. And for us, people like me from outside, you cannot just believe anything for believable. Right? Until you see, just for believing sake, until you see that that thing truly is the way they said it is. Now, once US showed this money, show the money and sample and everything, after receiving that message, that is one of the requirements for the recognition. Many of us don't know. Do get the point. That's why I applaud Ray Biafra TV on what he's doing. Most of these researchers, they are far ahead of many people in terms of understanding the time that we're in. And that's why, my own, if I see truth, I will stand on it. So since this is one of the requirements, why don't you just accept it? If you don't know, say you don't know. But not when you are being told. You pretend that you don't know. They informed you again. You still pretend that you don't know, then you are lying to yourself. Now, this is one of it. Not only that, you see all this liaison office and embassy, because all of them have become embassy after declaring your freedom. That is a procedure. I don't blame people. If you don't know, you don't know. But once you are aware of this and you still act as if that is an offense, then something's wrong with you. There must be something wrong with you. So this guy is talking about this money. He is not saying it because he's ignorant of it. He's aware of he understands, but he's not actually for Biafra though. And judging by, let us go through his write-up though. Just calm down. These are scammers using Biafra to scam our people, he says. You did not got your freedom. Wazirike, you went and printed Biafran plate numbers. Ngozi, you went and printed Biafran currency. So none of you believe in Biafra. Mazi Namodekano and Mazi Samonekba is in prison. So none of you believe in Biafra. Mazi Namodekano and PM is in prison for. You don't believe in the Biafra that they are in prison for. Mad people everywhere, he says. Ngozi and Wazirike, Biafra has come. That their own version of Biafra have come. Now, listen, the one Mazi Namodekano is fighting for now is not the Biafra Ngozi and Wazirike is carrying plate numbers and currency up and down on social media. Beware of criminals in Biafran struggle. Now, like I said, this is not an act of ignorance. This is act of stupidity and sabotage. He understands it, but do you know why I mention people that move from DOS to Oginkere department? Why I say so is because most of them know what they're doing, but they have to criticize it because it's not them. The same thing that US have been doing and calling PM Ekperima and all that nonsense. Because to them they can't do anything, they cannot offer anything. Instead, they chose to act as if they know when they don't know. Now, Wazirike and Biafran USB government is not the same. Wazirike never declared Biafra. If you declare, this is the principle, and this printing of money currency is not actually tied on COS. This is what Biafran Prime Minister, initiated, and it's been executed by the deputy Dr. Morabeza. That is what it should be. She's not the initiator of that, but she's doing what she's supposed to do as deputy, as a leader. In PM absence, she has been living up to the expectation. If you are doubting, it's because you said two things are involved. One, out of ignorance, or you are just a war-sacrificed saboteur, and you are in position to fix yourself where you belong. But Biafrans, of course, with time, they will realize what you are doing, and they will help you and fix you where you belong. So tell me what you think about it. Okay, let's see if there's any comment on that, because of course you are going to hear some of them claiming to be what they're not, trying to act as if they know when they know nothing. So this is the comment. Let's see. No, let me go back. I have to go back. Christopher Chukwemeka, I don't know the video, and I don't want to put this video there. Okay. He says, always looking for engagement, hungry idiot to fall back Republic. Exactly. He don't want Biafra. As Ikechukwu said, you are in their league. You are PM declared Biafra for 4 times, and you are here talking rubbish, mad people everywhere. This is US. Do you understand? That PM declared Biafra 4 times. Where? How? It's in Pataka. Is your option. Can't it just be? Can you see? This one is also Biafra. Those said madness you suffered madness you suffered have not left you. Your own madness is incurable. Very soon you will enter market. As you'll be an idiot. Okay, Okute big goat by posting this Mumu man. He said Okute big goat. What do you mean by big goats? By posting this woman. Okay. He said, your father, Okoko, Okoko. Confused, faceless. I don't even know if you are a human being or a robot. I tire. Rabeze is an a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Adam Simon Ekpa. 419. Okay, what a coincidence! It is very easy to dictate a fraudster. You believe in that, Dr. Richard, Briggy gatekeeper, douche, Briggy gatekeeper. So this is how they roll. All right, anyone talking about Biafra, and the person is lying, and the person is faceless. That is. The highest of them all, like the height of criminality and sabotage. Show your face, show your voice, nothing. Anyway, my people, let me know what you think about it. Merry Christmas to you. The Christmas is on. Today is 25th December. To some of you, you're already 26. To some of you, you are still entering 25th. Maybe it's early morning, your time and all that. So I understand. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about what we have discussed so far on this video. What is your take? God bless you. I can't wait to read from you. Take care of yourself. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you in advance.